Hello and welcome to Prism Prints, a channel dedicated to VR sculpting, 3D printing, and miniature painting. I'm Ben, and for this project, I'm making a unicorn. The unicorn is a mythical creature that's been part of folklore from around the world for ages. Some of the earliest descriptions come from ancient Greece during the classical era. These, along with accounts through the Middle Ages, were most likely descriptions of rhinos. It seems as though depicting the unicorn as a white horse with a single horn started to become prominent sometime around the 15th century. Throughout time, this creature has been a symbol for purity and rarity, as well as queerness and pride. For this sculpt, I wanted to stay true to the idea and just try to make some nice lines with a dynamic pose. I went with a white and gold motif, but I think this would look so cool with a darker or a more vibrant paint job as well. Hope you all like how this one turned out. If you do and want to support my work, please leave a like and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next one.